We conducted the workshop on the Internet of Things. We discussed in that workshop that what is the history of IoT that has been discussed in that workshop. Apart from that, different applications of IoT has been discussed. Also, we discussed about the uh, how we can implement the IoT and what are the various things required for the implementation. So these are the parts which required: data processing, user interface, and we also discussed about the smart world which needs the IoT. So nowadays all the devices or different applications that needs the IoT, that point we have already discussed. And this is the future, that in future how many devices which will be using the IoT. Now during the application or how to implement the IoT, so we just give one example that if you want to go with the IoT project, if you want to start with the IoT project, let's say if you want to turn on your AC which is already which is there at your home, and from the remote place, let's say if you want to operate your devices from the remote place, if you want to see the results from your sensor from the remote place, what is the procedure, how you can do that? So the controller which is majorly used in the field is the node MCU, which is a Wi-Fi controller. So how to program that controller, which software you need for that controller, that has been discussed in that workshop. So this is the specification of controller, means how many digital pins are there, analog pins are there, that has been discussed in that workshop. And we can program that control with the help of Arduino Uno. So we also discussed about that how you can uh, program the controller, how you should install the libraries, how you should install the board. So that is the first basic step. Okay, if I want to program this particular controller, uh, what is the procedure? So first we should install the board manager. And second, we should install the library. So these are the steps which has been discussed in that workshop, or which I discussed. This is how we can install the boards. And for the implementation, we need to select the board while we are programming. Then we specifically discuss about the blink. So if I want to control these gadgets, blink application is there. With the help of it, we can do it. So uh, second part of this is to how to configure the application for the implementation. So we need to select the controller which is we are using, so that is selected over here. Then on the pin we need to select that on which pin we have connected the devices, and then project will go live. Before project goes live, we need to take care of security. So when you are using the blink application, when you create a project on the blink application, you will get one user credential which you are supposed to enter in the program and to maintain